Okay, so this is our first lecture of definite integration. Now, now try to understand what is definite integration. So you guys are aware of indefinite integration. So suppose that I have given you f of x which you have to integrate with respect to x. So here I did not placed anything. Okay, means directly I have given you guys the integration thing. Okay, so without this box you have solved everything, correct? How you responded? You responded with this, sir, f of x, integration of f of x plus integration constant c. Now this indefinite integration means what? This is from minus infinity to plus infinity, indefinite. Okay, but now I will be giving you some range. Means you have to do integration but in the range a to b. Means x will start from a and end at b. So these kind of situations we will be handling in the current topic. So how we will do that? Directly you can use the concepts that you have studied in indefinite integration to find out the integration thing. Then what you have to do? You have to place upper limit and lower limit. Okay, means first you will be placing b in place of x, so upper limit done, minus, then you will be placing the lower limit f of a plus c. Okay, so upper limit minus lower limit. Now this is how we will be dealing with the indefinite integration. Now try to understand what does indefinite integration gives us. Sorry, definite integration gives us. So the definite integration gives us area under the curve. Okay, you may get confused, sir, we guys have studied area under curve and we guys have studied little bit of definite integration, and you are saying that definite integration provides us area under the curve. So what is the difference between definite integration and, sorry, definite integration and area under curve? Okay, now look at this. First try to understand definite integration. Definite integration, and this is area under curve. So in this part na, in definite integration, okay, you will get algebraic sum of areas. Algebraic sum of areas. Algebraic sum means suppose that you will be solving some definite integration. So you may get positive number or negative number. So you will be solving those questions as, means you will be adding all of them with the signs. Okay, so what you have to do? Sum with sign. Suppose that like if you will solve this area, this area and this area plus this area plus this area. So in definite integration, this area will be positive, this area will be negative, this area will be positive. So suppose that this area is a, this area is minus a, and this area is plus a. So how will you respond? You will do a plus minus a plus a. So this will give you the result of definite integration. Okay, if you will solve the same situation in area under the curve now, so they will give you arithmetic sum. Arithmetic sum. Arithmetic sum means what? Arithmetic sum of areas. I'll write everything. Okay, so this means sum with mod. Okay, modulus sign means you know that this area was plus, this area was minus. So instead of writing minus, you will be writing plus. So a plus a plus a. You know that area cannot be negative. That's why you will be writing area of first room plus area of second room plus area of third room, and then you will be adding everything. So this is arithmetic sum. Okay. So in definite integration, you will be getting area under curve. In area under curve also you will be getting area under curve, but in area under curve you will be getting arithmetic sum of all the areas. Means the every area first will be taken as plus sign. Suppose that after doing integration you got minus 5. So in definite integration you will be writing minus 5, but in area under curve you will be writing plus of 5. Okay, I hope this idea is clear to you guys. Okay, now you know that there are some important points which you have to take care of. So suppose that I'm dealing with definite integration. So you know that you have to take something as z to integrate. Means you must have solved so many questions connected to indefinite integration, है ना? And almost in every question you guys have taken something as z, correct? But what we have to do, we have to like substitute something and then we used to integrate that question. But here you cannot do that. Okay, here also you will be assuming something, but here you have to take care of something. The point is, if you want to assume something as z, first your limit will be changed. Okay, look at this point. If you want to assume anything as z, the first point is limit will change. Okay, limit will change, and you can imagine only those things which is continuous in the given domain. Okay, you cannot imagine those things which are not continuous in the given domain. Means in the given room you have to take continuous function as z, then only you are allowed to take it as z. Means, and you can only assume that function which is continuous in given domain. Okay, this point is super important. I will take so many illustrations in this part, and then I want you to digest this fact. So suppose that what you have to take care, if you will take anything as z, first your limit will change. Second, you can only take those things as z which is continuous in the given limit or given domain. I hope this idea is clear to you guys. For time being, I'll be giving you one property. Suppose that the limit starts from a to b, f of x dx. And suppose that you are not comfortable with this limit a and b. Like we have something as 5 to 10 f of x. So if I'll give you 5 to 10, you can say, acha, theek hai sir, means your x starts from 5 and ends at 10. Okay. So this is okay, but look at this. If I will give you 10 to 5, you may find uncomfortable because it starts from 10 till 5. This thing we cannot digest. Okay, means starting point should be the smaller number, no? Okay, and end point should be the bigger number. So if you are trapped in these kind of situations, means if you have uh, like you are feeling some uneasy with the limits, you want to interchange the limits, so you can put sign minus on it. Means now put minus and then you can interchange. Write b, then a, f of x dx. These two results are same. Means here you can do minus of 5 to 10 f of x dx. This situation is important. I hope you got some basic idea that definite integration gives us area under the curve with the signs, positive sign, negative signs. But area under the curve gives you positive area only. Okay. Now you have one important point. If you want to assume any function as z, that function has to be the continuous in the given domain. And if you will imagine, your upper limit and lower limit will get changed. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle uh, similar situations. Okay.